Hi and welcome. You're at the AOpen Stand here at DSE, and my name is Paul Wilson. So AOpen is a hardware manufacturer, but they also have a division called Open Service, which is a full service division of AOpen that can help you with everything from hardware all the way through to implementation and managed services ongoing. So we're here at the retail section at the moment. There's 4 parts to the stand. And in the retail section, we're looking at both hardware and also solutions. So you can see behind you, we've got a large video wall. In front of it, we have a 22-inch soft touch screen that AOpen have. Over on the far corner there, we have the 42-inch touch screen. And being released today, on the right here, we have tablets. So AOpen are releasing 2 tablets. One is a 10-inch. And the other is a 7-inch. Now these are ruggedized tablets, ideal for retail, and they also come in a enclosure which we'll run through a little more in a minute. So looking at a bit of an introduction to what we're doing, with the video wall here, we have a screen in the front here, and as we walk toward it, you'll see that there's a sensor, and that talks about engage, market, and transact. It's really talking about the customer journey. So we're more than just signage. We're really looking at how to attract customers and what needs to be done to attract customers. So obviously we've got a prompt here to touch the product. So we walk up and we touch it, and it talks a little bit more about the types of things that we can do with solutions. So obviously buy now. Now when we say buy now, you can buy now through touching any of these devices, or also our platform is ubiquitous, and it's multi-channel or omni-channel, so you can buy on your mobile, tablet, or directly on screen. The product that falls behind this is a content management platform and also has a CRM as part of it, and that's ideal for capturing loyalty information. So what we're really talking about here is the signage or the retail environment really needs to do more than just project images. We want people to interact with the retail area, and we want to capture details, and we want to engage with the customer. Self-serve, obviously a big part of retail is the ability for customers to find out more information. Now, self-serve is a big part of that, and whether it happens out in the web, whether it happens on mobile, or whether it happens in store, this is key to the customer experience to increase sales and engage with your customer. Obviously, a key part of any retail is analytics. And if we look at analytics here, the 2 key pieces of analytics that we get are the sensor data, which comes off the movement or the sonar sensor, and also the website analytics, or the analytics to do with the screens. Now, what's exciting about that is we're getting both customer movement, so we can see how long people are in front of the screens for. We can see what the linger time is, but we can overlay that information with analytics data from the screen. So we can see what products people are touching, we can see what they're engaging with, and importantly, we can see what's not working. So over time, we can improve the process. So we might walk over now and have a look at the 42-inch touchscreen. So what we've got mocked up here is a retail environment, and what's exciting about all this stuff is that it's all being delivered using HTML5. So the exciting thing about HTML5 is not only that it's easily updatable. It's great because it can work on multiple platforms, but it's easy to update. And the good thing about now, which is really, this used to be the realm of Flash, we can now get really nice animations and movement on the screen. If we click on the screen, another great thing about using HTML or web-based technology is we can get things like user reviews or people also bought. So the great thing about this is finally, retail's been struggling with e-commerce. Why can't we use the best case e-commerce activity and bring that into the retail environment? So it's really, we're talking to the customer outside the store, on the way to the store, and into the store. Another great feature of this product is the ability to push information from the store to the customer. So in here, you can put your cell number in, and you can hit go. That sends you an SMS the SMS has a link to a website, a mobile website. So it's like being able to take the billboard or the product or the information with you. Why that's exciting is not just because you're sharing it with a customer, but because your customer can also share it with their friends. So all of a sudden, you've got what was static signage now engaging with things like social media and email. We can pull other things in here like, Google videos. I mean, anything you can do with a website, we can now do with signage. And importantly, we can do it online, but we can deliver it in an enterprise way. So we can deliver it in an offline environment as well. The other key component of this is we can also start to interact with other devices. And one device that we've got here, for example, is we've developed an application for DSE. And what this does, it enables the sales guys to walk around and show potential customers more detail about what's happening in the 4 areas of the stand. So this is again delivered in the same technology but on a browser. As we go through this, you'll see it's a multi-gesture HTML5, so we can press on the screen and we can hit a plus button down the bottom here. Now what we're doing here is we're creating a custom brochure for the client. If I click on brochure down the bottom, you'll see that that slide I just clicked on is now part of a brochure that we're building. And then if I hit PDF, you'll see that I can put in an email address and some details, and it will actually compile a PDF with a front and back cover and the products that I've selected inside. You can also see, a lot of the conversations we've been having with retailers is about being able to push information to screens. Now, what this enables is a LED sales presentation. So if I click here on retail, we can show them through the information, but if we want, we can single click and we can push information to the screen. So you'll see now up on the screen, we can push information. So if we find another pretty picture that might be interesting to look at, you can see now we're starting to build a story on the screen. So this is ideal in the customer journey, being able to speak to the customer and push it to another place to discuss wardrobing or interest. Another thing that's interesting with a screen, and we've done this for demo purposes, is we've created a secret button up here. And what this brings up is another application we've done for another customer in Australia. Now this is like Home Depot here, and this is an application that is for selecting bathroom products. Now, why that's interesting is not because it's an application that's been done before, but because it's been done on a tablet in web technology, they can now port that to other systems. For example, they want to deliver it to mobile. So that's all very possible. So now let's head over and we'll have a look at the tablets. So what we have here, as I said before, we've got the 10-inch tablet and we've got the 7-inch tablet over here on the right. They come with a retail casing, so the 10-inch tablet looks like this. It's an Android tablet, or it's set up with Android at the moment, and you can see it's a fully touch tablet. It's got all the functionality you'd expect a tablet to have. Now what's really exciting about this, the product that runs the screens, including these screens, is called Blocks, and that can push web content, and it makes it very, very simple to manage content onto screens. It's great at setting the brand and then allowing simple content updates to screens at a national, global or local level. So it's ideal for local area marketing. What's exciting about these tablets in particular is not just because they're being launched today at DSE, is because there's another product that comes with this, which we're calling Screener. Now why that's exciting is because now you can get an AOpen tablet, turn it on, and it will come up with a registration screen that will in turn look out to the web, and it will start to play content on that screen straight away. So if you're a retailer looking for a robust, simple solution, you've got the perfect fitting here because it comes with 15 different types of retail fittings at the back. You turn it on, it registers online, and you can start to push content to one or many screens using this web-based application. Very simple solution to ticketing, to pricing, to customer information, customer loyalty. So I think that's a pretty good overview of the retail section, and after this we might look at QSR.